Robinson. I'm a self-taught artist from and currently living here in Evansville with my husband and son. I work in a variety of mediums, painting, sculpting, and sewing. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the sculptures I'm currently working on, a little bit about my process, and then I'm going to end with some examples of my work from other mediums. Thank you for watching. My current work is inspired by the Japanese art of kintsugi. I use my art to explore the range of human emotions. I titled this series Unbroken to show that though many of us are in a constant battle with the cracks created by our own histories, there is a freedom that comes from recognizing the cracks are part of the process and that this is where we get our strength. On my work mornings, I take my son to school and I come home and I immediately make my tea and get all the clutter off of the table here so I can work. I'm currently working from my dining room. It's the most well-lit spot in the house. I get to be surrounded by lots of pretty plants, so it's really a pleasant environment to work in. My workroom in the basement is covered in clutter and stacks of fabric from some sewing projects, and it's pretty dusty down there, so it's nice to have this area. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of the process that I use to make my figurines. So here are some of the recent pieces that I've done to give you an idea of the scale I work in. These smaller ones from the Unbroken series I previously mentioned are about 3 to 4 inches tall. And then here's my largest piece so far. She's about 17.5 inches. They're all made with the air dry clay that I had shown in my video, Premier Air Dry Clay. And they can just sit on a shelf. And anything larger like her, I'll put a little hook on the back so she can hang on the wall. All of these are painted with acrylic paints, and then I apply several coats of varnish just to finish them off. I really do enjoy making these sculptures. I love the personalities that I get to watch kind of unfold as I go through the sculpting process. Most of the time everything is pretty much unplanned, so it's really fun to watch. Before I end with some other examples of my work, I want to thank everyone for supporting the arts in any way that they can. And I also want to thank the Arts Council. By being a member of the Arts Council, it has definitely helped connect me to my community. I realize that being an artist isn't just about sitting alone in a room and creating things by myself, but art is actually a means for creating a better quality of life for all of us to share. So thank you so much.